Okay, this one is an oldie, but would have thought Goldman Sachs actually has a design system. I'm not sure why they or what they do with it, and they have multiple files on actual the Figma community released. Obviously, some of them are still private, but it's good that they did a bunch of them actually. So it looks pretty solid actually, like a true design system with all the stuff that you wouldn't expect from a financial company. Pretty on brand, very well organized. So yeah, I'm actually again quite surprised, and you can see like examples and stuff. So if you're building like financial applications or dashboards, be a good inspiration. Obviously, they don't provide too many examples and stuff. I imagine that would be like their IP, but let's see what they show us. So it's not like they don't show us anything. It's just more like for inspiration. So even like marketing stuff they share, and again, mobile. How would you do like web apps? It's not bad. Again, and this is 3 years ago almost. Take that with a grain of salt, but again, super well done in terms of UX accessibility. They even have like mobile stuff, not the fanciest, not the most modern style, but this is actually pretty solid. And in some cases, you could really use something like this. So yeah, again, interesting. Doesn't look really sexy, but it does the job. So think about manufacturing and places where you need like high contrast and stuff, you can actually use this and also get some inspiration from the marketing stuff. So yeah, well done, Goldman Sachs design team.